Alright, this is the other elevator at Marinagate in Webster, Texas, off of Egress Bay Boulevard. And then we got a modded Otis elevator here. Oh, the phone is open. Oh, this thing will level on me. Oh. Yeah, this thing is... Oh! This elevator is scary. Oh, look at that. Those are out of place. There's the old Otis. Is that? Yeah, that's the old Otis interlock for the modernization. This used to be Otis Lexington. But then you got models innovation here. Yeah, this thing is for leveling on me. It's scary. Oh! I need to get off this thing. This thing's a death trap. Oh, I would love to send this thing up to see it go up, but I'm not going to take any risks, because this thing just keeps on releveling. Yep, it's the Marinagate Shopping Center. There's the Lorama Event Center right there. Yep, as you can see, love this nice little courtyard right there. Yeah, that thing right there is really sketchy. I need to get off that thing. That thing kept on releveling. I think it's low on hydraulic fluid. Alright, that concludes this video. And there's my dad over there. And that's it.